How to check all notes you've added to posts and reels on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will exactly show you on how you can do this. Now with the recent update of Instagram, you can now go ahead and add notes to reels and videos and post on the application. To do this, you simply want to go ahead and click on a reel. And once inside, if you click on the share button, you can then go ahead and see the add note right here. Now as an example, let's go ahead and try it out for ourselves. And right after, to go ahead and locate your own notes on the application, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. And once inside, you want to click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, click on your activity. And once inside, we have this option that's called notes. From here, we can then go ahead and see the notes that we have added in every post and reels on Instagram. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.